क्या ये मेरा शौहर है? क्या मेरे से निकाह होगा? क्या ये बनेगा मेरे बच्चे का बाप?
Friendships were very important, बहुत चल रही थी, blah blah blah, but I don't think कोई किसी का सगा था.
That I lost my spark when I came to पैसा विला. मेरे डायनामिक्स बहुत डिफरेंट है. वो मुझे उतना तभी सपोर्ट नहीं करती, तो मैं आज जैसी हूँ मैं वैसी नहीं रहती है. खाली एक हाथ से नहीं बचती है, दोनों कहीं ना कहीं फॉल्ट में होते हैं. तब जाकर मुझे लोग बोल रहे that it's nice that you got out of the show before it got dirty. ये बोला तो जा रहा है ना मेरे बारे में कि सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट कहाँ है आपकी मैम?
बोलते हैं लोग. Loneliness is a real thing in this kind of reality show world.
And I did not want to take that video down. It's just my mother called me and she's like, Simran, what you're doing is so rude. I don't know what the fuck I did. Shame on you. You being a girl, you're like not defending her. You're doing this, that. जो backstage में हो रहा है वो तुम्हें नहीं पता. जो तुम्हें दिखाया जा रहा है तुम्हें सिर्फ उतना ही पता है.
This person really blew up for the dialogue. मेरी बंदी है, मेरी connection है.
I don't hate Akansha. Akansha is going around telling people, oh, तुम इसको hate करो, तुम उसको hate करो क्योंकि मेरी और उसकी नहीं बन रही. It's the audience who's doing that.
Yara ko Rasmita.
The fuck would you put me in a spot?
So why not Anisha? Who's the biggest side character of the season? Who was the performer of Green Flag? Whoa, that was very quick. That was so quick. Hey guys, my name is Arav Chog और आपने मेरे को Splitsvilla 16 में देखा होगा. कम टाइम के लिए देखा होगा, but देखा ज़रूर होगा. And now I bring you the Unmasked show. And इसके पहले एपिसोड में I had to bring you the one and only my ideal match. My almost ideal match, Simran. She's here with me today. Simran's here with me today, and this is great. I liked having you here, and we've hung out a lot. अभी मैं आया हूँ Canada से. You know, the first person that I've been hanging out with, and हमारा most time we've spent together right now.
Yeah.
And it's so fun. Splitsvilla के पहले, you know, meeting everyone again, especially Simran, जो हमारे 2.5 दिन हमने साथ में निकाले थे. उसके बाद जो हमने इतनी texting, DMs में बातें करी हैं. I think it's all paying off, and I'm glad that we got to meet up. इस शो का मैं कॉन्सेप्ट से बता देता हूँ. Conversation. I want to know more about you. थोड़ी शो की बातें करेंगे, but I want to know about you. And at the very end, we're going to play a little game where I'm going to give you 5 or 6 terms that Reddit पे मैं नहीं बोल रहा, Reddit बोल रहा है and audience बोल रही है about the contestants of Splitsvilla, and you have to guess what contestants is all about.
Okay.
ठीक है? Easy.
Yeah.
Usually हम punishment भी रखेंगे from the next episode, but आज because it's Simran and it's my connection, so
Your only connection.
yeah. So I was like, you know what? It's okay. I don't think we should do punishments for Simi. Yeah. Tell me about you. What happened? Where did you start? Why Splitsvilla? And you're so good at content. मतलब सारा content जो हम बना रहे हैं ना, it's her. मेरे को बोलती है बस खड़े हो जा साथ. And I was like, okay, I'll do that. That's so easy. तो मेरे को बता कि content, where did you start? What made you get into this reality stage? Is this even the goal? मतलब do you want to just do Big Boss? Do you want to do all of this? Yeah, do you want to be an actor, singer, model? क्या बनना है?
Yeah. So first of all, thank you for having me here. I know बहुत सारी formalities and all shit, but yeah, thank you so much for having me. And apart from that, I've been doing this for like a very long time. I was 14, and since I had the maturity, I think I was like 6-7. जब से मुझे सोच समझ आई है जिंदगी की, लाइफ की, I always wanted to become an actor, like an actress. And when I was 14, I started with the social media thing, you know, Dub Smash, Musical.ly, TikTok, and I always loved to be, you know, like to stand in front of the camera. I love that. So I started from there. और रियलिटी शो का तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि ओ शिट मुझे कभी चांस मिलेगा. एंड इट्स अ वेरी फनी स्टोरी क्योंकि मैं ऐसे रैंडमली रील्स बनाती रैंडमली टिकटॉक बनाती थी.
सब ऐसे ही है.
Yeah.
Honestly, इस सीजन में बहुत रेयर होंगे आई थिंक इस सीजन में the people who are like we need to do reality show, we need to do this. जिनके करियर ग्राफ में तो रियलिटी शोज हैं. I think everyone was more like an influencer this time that decided कि yes let's apply. And I think मेरे हिसाब से कि 15, 14, 13 जो सारे सीजन आए थे ना, the audience complaints were yeah you guys are repeating people. Everyone is getting the roadies guys, roadies girls. बहुत हो गया, like we don't want to see all of these people. So this time they listened to us and they got common people like us. We are common people.
Yeah,
we're
obviously.
not I'm sure कभी नहीं आए. We are common people.
Yeah.
And they listened and it worked.
Yeah, it did.
This season is a fucking
blast. It's a blast this season, yeah.
There you go. So tell me, so क्या हुआ, कैसे अप्लाई किया, क्या मतलब Dub Smash से वीडियोस, Splitsvilla की शौहर वाली लड़की, you know, क्या और क्या डायलॉग है, सबसे फेमस डायलॉग क्या है सरमन का?
क्या ये मेरा शौहर है? क्या मेरे से निकाह होगा? क्या ये बनेगा मेरे बच्चे का बाप?
बस ये जब पहला एपिसोड हुआ था ना यार, आई स्वेयर मैं कनाडा में बैठा था, मैंने सिमरन से तो ऑब्वियसली बात हो रही थी हमारी, राइट? पहला एपिसोड एयर हुआ तब तक मैंने मोस्टली प्यार वाला लोगों से भी बात कर ली थी, एंड ऑब्वियसली आई एम एक्साइटेड. हमें बताया नहीं गया था, रिमेंबर इन द ग्रुप चैट एंड एवरीथिंग वी weren't टोल्ड कि पैसा वाला का एपिसोड आना है, प्यार वाला का एपिसोड, वी वर नॉट टोल्ड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. एजम्पशन थी कि प्यार वाला पहले आएगा कि पैसा वाला जो भी हमें पता था, बट मेरे को इतना आइडिया नहीं था. तो सुबह सुबह 8:30 AM मेरा शो वहाँ पे एयर हो रहा था, 8:30 AM था कनाडा का. मैं उठा 8 बजे आई थिंक, मैं बैठा टीवी के, मैं आऊँगा, मैं टीवी पे आ जाऊँगा टीवी पे, एंड ऑन किया, प्यार वाला शुरू हो गया. मैं कहा चलो कोई
because
बात
Sunny ma'am is the host, no, that's why I
Yeah.
think Pyar Villa was the first
या
episode.
बट नहीं, पहले एपिसोड में तो वो भी सनी मैम एंड करण कुंद्रा वर आल्सो द होस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ अस.
Yeah,
I
but
think
she will ये चीज सुनने जिस हमेशा सबने ही बोली है कि कुछ भी होगा सनी मैम विल ऑलवेज चूज लव ओवर एनीथिंग. सो इफ द कॉन्सेप्ट इज प्यार वर्सेस पैसा, ऑब्वियसली वो प्यार को पहले दिखाएगी बिकॉज शी इज लाइक ऑल अबाउट लव. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई प्यार विला का एपिसोड वाज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड दैट वाज एड.
So फिर मैंने एपिसोड ऑन किया, obviously I see all these girls walking on the beach. I'm like, where's Simran? Where is Simran? Because मेरे को इतना लोगों का दूसरों को तो पता ही नहीं था. मैं कहा, where's Simran? Where's Simran? I see Simran coming on the corner. You were like the second last one.
Last, yeah.
Last one. मैंने देखा, bro, that Simran that I saw, ये पूरा शौहर, ये बच्चों का बाप, निका. This is the first time I'm seeing all of this. I'm like, ये क्या है? मैंने अपना फोन निकाला ऐसे और मैं वीडियोस बना रहा हूँ. इसको सारी भेजो, क्या चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? So tell me, just genuinely, how did Spiritual happen, and where did this chatpati, bubbly personality, how did this form?
I was always an introvert person. I was never this open, or like I always had filters when I spoke to someone क्योंकि मैं कभी किसी को कुछ बोल दूँ उन्हें बुरा लग जाए तो I was like always the shant one in the group. I used to like always sit at the corner and listen to people, observe people, और मैं कम बात करती थी. But last year something happened and then it brought the chatpati girl outside, and I feel like it's a blessing honestly because now I speak anything. Now I can tell you anything, और मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ, मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. तो I've never been like that. And अगेन रियलिटी शो करना तो कहीं भी मेरे दिमाग में, मेरे जहन में नहीं था कि मुझे करना है, कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, मेरे में पोटेंशियल है. बट अगेन आई अप्लाइड फॉर सीजन 15. दैट डिड नॉट हैपन. एंड 16 का मुझे ऑप्शन मिला. आई गिव दी ऑडिशंस. फर्स्ट राउंड में क्लियर हो गया, फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू मेरा क्लियर हो गया. एंड देन लेटर दे कॉल्ड मी, ओ यू बीन लाइक कन्फर्म्ड, यू आर सिलेक्टेड, यू हैव टू पैक योर बैग्स, गेट दीज मैनी आउटफिट्स, ये है वो है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड ऑल, एंड यू हैव टू कम. सो तभी भी मुझे बहुत ऐसा लग रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं आप जो पुराने इंसान रहते हो, लाइक एज आई सेड आई वाज ऑलवेज एन इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन, वो शाइनेस मेरे में थी.
Right.
And just to like open up to people, to like strangers, it's like a very difficult thing, right? So I think Sandy and Anisha were the ones whom I met first, and they were very nice to me, they were very generous to me, और उनकी वजह से I was like this open. But then later I came to Paisa Villa, and if you remember I did tell you that I lost my spark when I came to Paisa Villa because I couldn't vibe with everyone, and then you were the only person that I vibed with, and then you got eliminated, and then later it was like, oh shit, मैं किससे बात करूँ, कोई है नहीं. फिर 2 लड़के थे, मोहित एंड रॉन, जिनसे मेरी बात होती रहती थी, बट फिर वो स्वॉप हो गया, एंड देन ये लड़के यहाँ पे आ गए, और फिर मैं चुप everything just went down.
Swap के बाद it was downhill. Everything.
I used to sit alone in the room.
I know, you told me.
Yeah, I used to like sit alone in the room. I used to like remove my nail paint again and again. I have to like redo my nails. I used to like take 2-3 घंटा में शावर में रहती थी कि मैं करूँ क्या.
Exactly.
I used to pack my stuff. I used to clean the room. I used to, organize my jewelry and all. I used to organize my makeup. I used to clean my brushes. क्योंकि मेरे पास और कुछ करने के लिए था ही नहीं, ना किसी से बात करने के लिए कुछ था. Otherwise, I used to like sit in the cafeteria and eat or like drink chai or like sit near the pool. बस मैं वही करती थी और मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती थी. It was like very rare of me to like talk. And then later, before I like actually got eliminated, उसके एक elimination पहले things happened, like no one took my side and I was like this close of going home.
Yeah.
So तभी भी मुझे बहुत setback हुआ था, बहुत मुझे backlashes आए थे. I got sleep paralysis, anxiety and all. तो उस दिन तो मैंने पूरा दिन 2 दिन मैंने किसी से बात नहीं की.
Yeah.
Literally I did not speak to anyone. And I think I
me.
told you that.
Show के बाद आके सिमरन भी बहुत बात हुई. You told me like a rough idea of what everything
yeah,
that
what happened, yeah.
and all of that. See, in a reality show, guys, it gets extremely lonely when you don't have somebody to rely on.
Yeah.
And Splitsvilla as a show, mein, you need somebody to rely on. You need a person that's like
Yeah.
that almost you can be like, चलो कोई बात नहीं, सारे betray कर दो ना, मेरे को ये
वो
बंदा है,
एक जन,
ये
हाँ,
बंदी है.
exactly.
और अगर even if you're a girl, to have another girl best friend is completely fine.
Yeah.
But हमारा सीजन ऐसा नहीं था. Like,
Yeah.
yes, friendships were very important, बहुत चल रही थी, blah blah blah. But I don't think कोई किसी का सगा था इस बार.
Nah.
Everyone was like, मेरे को जीतना है, मेरे को करना है, मेरे को ये करना है, मेरे को वो करना है. Now, tell me something. If you have to choose one friend from जो विला में पैसा विला में थी, that in the show that you relied on, that you were like, this is my ride or die for the show, who would that one friend be? Who was that one friend?
So after you left, I think I was close to Anushka for a while.
Wow.
I was close
That's
to
surprising.
her. I was close to her because we were in the same villa.
Yeah.
And again we were bongs. हम बहुत बातें करते थे. वो अलग ग्रुप में थी, अलग अलायंस में थी, फिर हमने एक अलग अलायंस बनाया and we used to like chill together, we used to talk together, and then she got dumped.
Right.
Diptanshu dumped her. So I was like left alone. So I think if वो game point of view से अगर तब देखने जाए, like back in December 2025,
Yeah.
I think it's Anushka. If she was not dumped, I think I would have not lost my spark. You know,
Yeah.
but I'm like trying
It
to
gets
say.
lonely. It gets
yeah,
very
you get
lonely.
it's very lonely. Plus जो दो लड़के थे जिनसे मेरी बात होती थी, जो नहीं बोल के उनके साथ में रहती थी, वो लोग भी स्वॉप में वो लोग भी चले गए. So then there was like nobody. Later Niharika and Asmita they shifted to this villa and we were together. I'm not saying that they were not there for me. They were obviously there
Yeah.
for me, but then उनकी अलग priorities थी. They were each other's priority. I was not anyone's priority. तो वो लोग ही पूरा टाइम साथ में रहते थे and I felt again like very lonely because most of the times जब swap हुआ तब कनेक्शन तो नहीं, गेम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किसके साथ पेयर करना है, क्या करना है, वो वही सब चलता था. तो ये लोग उधर वो विला में रहते थे, ये लड़की ये विला में रहते थे. तो मेरे डायनामिक्स बहुत डिफरेंट थे
Right.
प्यार विला के लड़कों के साथ, क्योंकि जो लड़कियों के साथ मैं अब भी हूँ वो डायनामिक्स मेरे वो प्यार विला के लॉन्डो के साथ नहीं थे. सो दे वर लाइक टुगेदर एंड द ओनली फ्रेंड्स दैट आई हैड फ्रॉम प्यार विला लड़कों में इट वाज चक्ष, टेन एंड हर्षित. और वो लोग भी अलग अलायंस में थे. तो वो अलायंस का स्वॉप हो गया लड़कों के स्वॉप के बाद. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया था कि मैं किसके पास जाकर बैठूँ. मैं अगर if I go to Kaira's group and I just said, they'll be like, oh ये तो वहाँ की बात करके यहाँ की
Right.
बात सुनने आ रही है. And I did not want that. और मुझे यहाँ पे भी बैठना नहीं था, वरना ऐसा लगता है कि oh no it's just because योगेश यहाँ पे, फिर सिमरन is like trying her best to get with योगेश. तो वो चीज़ हो जाती जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए थी. But I used to like sit with them for a while, sit with these people for a while, लड़कों के साथ लड़कियों के साथ. And I think कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत like half an hour, 15-20 minutes max, and then I used to be like all by myself.
Okay. Yeah. No, that makes sense. I mean, loneliness is a real thing in
Yeah.
this kind of reality show world. And इतनी alliance बन गई थी, इतनी मेरे सामने ही बन गई थी यार. As the show went on, it got so much deeper, I feel. But I think it's completely normal to feel like मैं करूँ क्या? मैं
Yeah.
अकेला हो गया हूँ या अकेली हो गई हूँ. So
Yeah.
completely fair. But you still stuck around. ऐसा नहीं कि तू
Yeah.
next room में निकल
Yeah.
गई. जैसे अभी हमने अनीशा का देखा है. चक्ष गया, आयुष गया, अनीशा गई. Right? So Anisha couldn't hold that up for so
Yeah.
long. Like वो क्या करती है अकेले? I think that Anisha was after Ayush, right? एक ही room के बाद निकल गई वो.
Yeah, I think so. I did
Right?
not
So
see the episode.
connection गया and she's gone.
Yeah.
But you stuck around. You
Yeah.
managed it somehow.
Alone.
Which makes me say something that you're an extroverted person, 100%, and you're very good at making friends. You're very good at talking to people. So what made that happen? Like how did your childhood or whatever it is, childhood नहीं तो schooling या जो भी friendship, and or was it just कि तू TikTok और इस पे इतनी videos बनाती थी कि it opened up? Because a lot of times what happens is people who make a lot of social media videos, they're not good in person with people. उनको like interaction नहीं आती, communication नहीं आती. So how did you learn that? या तू पहले से, because you said you were introvert when you
Yeah,
were younger.
yeah,
So
yeah.
what was the flip that you opened up and you were like, oh, I can be like this, my personality and bubbly and whatever.
So I was like a very confident person in school.
Right.
When I was like in my school, I was a very confident person. I used to, be the head girl or the house captain or the prefect. जो भी होता, like I used to always lead. And I feel like मेरी teachers का ये सारी चीज़ों में, so I started my education very late. I was like 6.5, 7 years old when I started studying. और first standard से मैंने start किया. I skipped junior senior जो यहाँ पे होता है बॉम्बे
Right.
में. First standard में तो I went first sem के बाद में गई थी. And second standard में I think I can't thank that teacher enough. क्योंकि अगर वो मुझे उतना तभी support नहीं करती तो मैं आज जैसी हूँ मैं वैसी नहीं रहती. always been like a shy guy, तो मैं shy girl, sorry, तो मैं वैसी ही रहती,
guy.
shy guy, तो मैं वैसी ही रहती, like a shy person. But I think it's her who like boosted my confidence कि मैं वो छोटी सी एज से ही थोड़ा अपने आप में वो थोड़ा करके कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करूँ. बट अगेन एज यू सेड कि सोशल मीडिया पे जिनकी प्रेजेंस होती है वो लोग ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर पाते लोगों से या
Not
something
like
like
a
that.
general thing, but हाँ
Yeah.
मैंने notice किया है
It
बहुत
is
सारे
true.
influencers,
It is true.
they're not as cool as in person as they show
Yeah.
on Instagram.
Yeah, it's cool.
But on
It's
Instagram
true.
पे like parties and cool, and then in person they're like, "Ye, I'm talking to a wall."
Yeah,
But
it's
that's
true.
not the case with you.
Yeah.
But I think Splitsvilla में कई ऐसे लोग थे जिनके साथ I don't know, maybe मेरी vibe में बंदे या बंदी दोनों, but they just weren't good at holding a conversation. You
Yeah.
can, तू बात कर सकती है, and
Yeah.
you can talk for ages.
Yeah.
Ages.
I always have things to talk
Yeah,
about.
you can talk. Like if I don't ask her a question right now, एक ही question को drag करते 25-30 मिनट का episode निकाल देगी.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, obviously.
I always have
Of
things to say.
course. Yeah, no, I agree. No, I'm with you on this one.
I always have things to say, honestly.
I'm 100% with you.
Yeah, and Pyar Villa mein it was very different for me, but Paisa Villa mein it was like a huge difference.
हाँ मैं था ना.
Shut up. I wish if I was there in the game till the merger happened. अगर तब तक अगर मैं रुकी होती तो I think चीज़ें और बेटर हो
100%.
सकती थी. But again मुझे लोग बोल रहे that it's nice that you got out of the show before it got dirty. So I think maybe I always feel like whatever happens for a reason and it's for your own good. And हमें अभी लगता है कि वो चीज़ सही नहीं थी, लेकिन आगे जाके हम रियलाइज़ करते हैं कि ओ नहीं यही चीज़ सही थी. And honestly again I thank my God enough कि मुझे आपने एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कहीं पे दिखने की, और मुझे ब्लेसिंग्स आप दे रहे हो कि मैं कहीं दिखूँ, मैं अपना टैलेंट शोकेस करूँ, मैं अपने स्किल्स बताऊँ, या मैं जैसी मेरी पर्सनालिटी है मैं अपनी पर्सनालिटी बताऊँ. तो आई फील लाइक इट्स नाइस दैट आई डिड गेट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड मुझे अपने बारे में जानने को बहुत मिला. सो व्हेन यू आर लाइक अलोन, व्हेन दैट लोनलीनेस हिट्स यू, you learn a lot about yourself. And I learned a lot about myself that I actually don't need anyone. I do not have to like rely on someone to stay in the game or like to to move forward in life. I can do it all by myself. You have no idea. मेरा पता है curfew 11 बजे का होता है.
Okay.
My curfew is of like 11 p.m.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, my mother called me yesterday. We were together yesterday.
That's what I mean. मतलब देखो, you live in Bombay.
Yeah.
You're in this industry of when people are going to parties every day,
Yeah.
doing all this stuff
Yeah.
every day, and having a curfew at 11 a.m. or 11 p.m. Sorry, all that stuff. That usually makes a child or someone our age very like
Rebel?
घर के अंदर नहीं,
Yeah.
घर के अंदर रखने वाला. You know what I mean? Like introverted, but you
Yeah.
still manage to go out, and
Yeah.
it's so surprising. Ki, maybe sometimes your parents are strict about about some stuff, but you still went on a platform like Splitsvilla. You expressed yourself, but you held dignity.
Yeah.
तूने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला.
नहीं बोला तो जा रहा है ना मेरे बारे में कि सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट कहाँ है
हाँ, वो
आपकी मैम.
बोलते हैं लोग.
2 कौड़ी की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट कहाँ गई?
वो शेयर का अपना डायलॉग है ना, लोग तो बोलेंगे कुछ तो काम है
कोई
बोलने का.
काम है बोलने का लोगों का.
There we go. So लोग बोलते हैं, that's normal. But I think you held up pretty well. मैंने Blue Walls वाला episode भी देखा. And Blue Walls जो है, if you guys don't know, it's a Splitsvilla का segment जिसमें बड़े naughty से अजीब से questions होते हैं. And I watched yours and it wasn't bad at all. It was like completely normal. Whereas दूसरे लोगों को देखो वो तो कुछ भी बोलते जा रहे हैं, जो उनके मन में आ रहा है बोलते जा रहे हैं. Do you think doing stuff like that online can affect your career in the future?
Yeah.
Is that why you didn't do anything, or is that like, are you just actually like that? मतलब जो सारे तूने answers
I
किए
am
हैं.
actually like that. I feel like I'm built different.
You're built
I am built different. I mean, I am not saying I'm a saint or something
Yeah.
like that. I have done shit, and I am not proud of it, or maybe I'm proud of it because it's a part of your life and you learn from it, or you take experiences. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि for my age, I have not done anything. I don't do parties. I don't go to parties.
Barely. Only with me.
I
For Sundar's birthday party.
I don't do parties.
Yeah.
I don't do stay like night overs, sleepovers whatsoever. Because मुझे मेरा घर का बिस्तर चाहिए सोने के लिए. I don't do stuff which usually girls of my age
Yeah.
they do.
The
So I'm
general
not
population.
I'm not saying that कि oh shit वो लोग कर रहे हैं, वो लोग गलत है, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. नहीं. It's just that सबके अपने अपने choices होते हैं, and I feel like I am built different because I am a Gen Z.
Yeah.
But I hate being called Gen Z. मुझे वैसा लगता है, and I feel like I have a soul of 90-year-old or like an 80-year-old, because I like to live like that.
Okay.
I know it's very difficult to
Maybe
like.
it's not difficult.
Yeah.
I don't think it's difficult to. I think it's unheard of nowadays.
Yeah.
I think everyone wants to be the cool person that does the drugs at the parties, that drinks, that does all of that, and you keep yourself away from that, which is
Yeah.
good. And it's to prove that you can still go out, you can still hang out with friends, you can still be in that cool friend
Yeah.
group, but you don't have to do all this
Yeah,
stuff.
you don't have to be the
And
cool kid.
I think आज की generation में थोड़ा कम है.
Yeah.
जब मैं डंप हुआ था बहुत सारी मीम्स बनी थी, बहुत सारा ये हुआ था कि सिमरन के साथ एक बंदा आया, दूसरा बंदा आया, दोनों डंप हो गए, एंड यू वर कॉल्ड अ बंच ऑफ वर्ड्स ऑनलाइन, राइट? एंड ऑब्वियसली जब भी आप लोग व्हेन यू वाचिंग एज ऑडियंस, you guys are expressing your opinion, which is completely fine, you have the right to do that. But what bothers people is when you go and you say something super mean, और आपको लगता है क्या है, मेरा कमेंट कहाँ ही पड़ेगी, मैं तो कुछ भी बोल दूँ. You don't understand that people like her, people like me, people from Splitsvilla, people in general, यार, they read those comments.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, social media में validation के लिए आते हैं.
Yeah.
And when we read these questions or comments, about तू तो क्या बोलते हैं, पनौती है, तू ये है, you're unlucky, इसको भी डंप करवा दे, इसको भी डंप करवा दे. How did that make you feel?
I mean, I've said this already, but the thing is, आप मुझे कुछ भी बोलो, मुझे honestly नहीं फर्क पड़ता. Call me a slut shame me, call me a whore or whatsoever. I mean, these are very disturbing things to say to a woman, obviously. But the thing is, आप मुझे पनौती बोलोगे, which is like, oh, she's like unlucky for me.
Yeah.
And I've heard that throughout the years, and it took me a lot of years to like get over it, and I'm like still trying to process and still trying to like move on. बहुत coincidence हुआ है ये चीज़ जहाँ पे I never paired up with Anuj. We were just asked to make a pair, like connection नहीं था हमारे बीच में. हमको सिर्फ बोला था कि एक का pair बनाओ, और and I was going for Harshit, but at the end of the पता नहीं डोम के पहले इसके पहले वो अलग हो गया था, स्विच हो गया था.
वो होता है, and it's so hard to predict that stuff.
Exactly.
Because आपको नहीं पता यार, आप अभी बंदे से मिले हो.
Exactly.
आपको पता, like even when I met Simran for the first time, I think पहले दिन तो हमें इतना ट्रस्ट नहीं हुआ था एक दूसरे पे यार, because we didn't know what alliance.
Yeah.
She actually one time, it wasn't a fight or anything, it was a little bit of, जो उन्होंने दिखाया है. Actually I was wearing this shirt that day as well, जब हम बेड पे बैठ के बात कर रहे थे, जो उन्होंने दिखाया है. And वो थोड़ा सा मैं दिखाया, वो conversation was a lot longer, but that conversation was like 25-minute conversation about
it was a very long
us.
conversation.
But हमने बीच में थोड़ी सी बात करी और ये कहती थी तू कौन से alliance में, तू मेरे को बता ना, और वो थोड़ा सा rude सा part उन्होंने डाल दिया अंदर. So I get it. Trust is really hard to build.
Yeah.
Right? And it makes sense. कि words and you're not comfortable with that
Of
word.
course.
And okay, the other question I have for you, with Splitsvilla, with the dynamics, obviously we know what's the biggest thing in Splitsvilla right now. It's the whole trio situation, right? Yogesh, Ruru, Akanksha. मैं ये नहीं पूछूंगा कि if you were in the trio situation, what would you do? I don't want to know the answer to that because everyone has different opinions. And अगर योगेश के point of view से कोई देखे तो different है, दूसरों के point of view is different. मेरे को एक बात बताओ, online right now you do get hate for one reason only, and that reason is कि you are only talking about Akanksha everywhere. You're and I don't think that. I'm just reading out what people are saying, that you're only talking about Akanksha. I don't think you do that, and I don't even want to know that, because I don't want you to defend yourself that you don't, because it's obvious यार, शो किया है, थोड़ी चीज़ें होती है बोलने के लिए, बोल दी जो पहले बोलनी थी, अब बोलने के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं है, शो पुराना हो गया है, अब हमारा पार्ट तो बहुत पहले से खत्म हो गया है. So tell me something, do you think this entire comment section and this group of people that target you for that have any right to do that? मतलब जो तेरे को hate कर रहे हैं कि तू सिर्फ आकांक्षा के लिए नहीं, everyone, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ आकांक्षा की फैंडम नहीं है, ये नॉर्मल लोग भी हैं जो स्प्लिट्सविला देख रहे हैं, उनको बस लगा कि that happened. So what do you think? Is that fair to you? Is that something that bothers you?
I don't think it's fair for anyone. Like, even if it's you, if people are commenting shit on your post, they are like spreading hate towards you, it's not right.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it. We are like on a platform, we are giving you the right to talk about our lives, or like to actually give your opinions. But again, तुम एक comment करते हो, तुम्हें लगता है कि वो पढ़ने नहीं वाला है, नहीं पढ़ने वाला है, दूसरा वो कमेंट दिखता है, उसको एक वो मिल जाता है, शेयर मिल जाती है कि अरे इसने बोला मैं भी बोलूँगा, and people do that. So I think they don't have the rights to talk about our lives, but again we are giving them the rights to talk about our lives. But जो जितना जिस चीज़ पर है उस पर बोलो. मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में नहीं आती. I'm not trying to defend myself honestly here, but मुझे कोई एक चीज़ बता दो जहाँ पे मैंने आकांक्षा के बारे में बोली हो. I mean, I did say something about her past me when that first episode was aired, and I feel like I should not have done it.
Yeah.
But I did it because I wanted to. I should not have done it
At
because
that
my
time,
mother,
yeah.
I
At
was
that time,
mad.
of course you were. At that time, the first. This was after the show, and you're saying on your story.
The first
Yeah.
episode, the first dome when happened, and when I like posted a story,
Yeah.
and then I took down the story, but लोगों ने उसका they like
Screenshots and all get
screenshots
spread
and all
around.
बना लिया, तो उस पर अलग reels बन रही थी, and I did not want to take that video down. It's just my mother called me and she's like, Simran, what you're doing is so rude. You don't have to go down to that lane because you are not that person.
Exactly.
You can't do that to someone because if someone does that to you, you will not like it.
Exactly.
I was like, Mom, I get it. I'm so sorry. And I took down
Right.
that video.
And I think मेरे हिसाब से like it's very normal, it's very fair for you to have a little bit of anger and say something.
Yeah.
क्योंकि देखो अभी तक लोग यार कितनी पुरानी सिचुएशन ड्रैग करके अभी भी स्टोरीज डाल रहे हैं
Yeah.
कि याद है तूने ये किया था, याद है तूने
Yeah.
ये किया था, डू दिस डू, अभी तक लोग एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं। जब पहला एपिसोड बाहर आया, पहला डोम बाहर आया, इट वाज इंटेंस। 2 दिन बाद ही हुआ था, आई थिंक सेकंड एपिसोड और थर्ड एपिसोड वाज द डोम। It was number 1 intense. Number 2, at that moment you had anger in your, yeah, इसने क्यों किया ऐसे? So
Yeah.
it's completely normal to express that opinion out
Yeah.
loud because number 1, if you don't do it, people are going to be like ये कौन है यार, तू कुछ बोल नहीं रही।
Yeah.
Because everyone is doing it. If everyone wasn't doing it and you don't do it, fair. But the moment that you are the only one that's not doing it, then it's that.
Yeah.
And the moment that you do it, you get hate. So there's no good answer
But
here.
I am not doing anything. That's my whole point. So abhi recently,
Yeah.
you know the situation what's going on. I don't know what the fuck I did. It was just a reel that I liked.
She
and
liked the reel.
I just liked a reel where I was mentioned. People are like, "Oh, Simran, shame on you. You being a girl, you're like not defending her. You're doing this, that." I'm like, I get it. Whatever her body count is, whatever she did, it's her choice.
Right.
Honestly, nobody's like character assassinating anyone. It's just a like. और वो reel थी और reel पे लिखा था the girl Yogesh liked and the girl that Yogesh liked.
The girl that liked Yogesh.
Liked Yogesh, something like
I said
that.
something like that.
And I just liked it. I was like, okay, fine. It's just a video and I was tagged in it.
Yeah.
I mean, fans ही बना रही है ना वो edit.
Yeah.
मैं तो किसी को फोन करके अपने टम्पर लोगों को नहीं बोल रही कि भाई तुम edit बनाओ और मुझे टैग करो. I am not doing it. Fans are doing it, right?
Right.
So the thing is, why I say this, when I say this, I like each and every post where I'm tagged. Even if there's like one single picture of me mentioned, I will like it because I know कितना time लगता है, कितनी मेहनत लगती है, कितना माथा फोड़ चीज़ है वो चीज़ का जब आप किसी के लिए edit बनाते हो, वो clips निकालना, उसको edit करना, slow mo करना. So if someone is putting in hard work, someone is like putting efforts, why we should not like appreciate them?
Exactly.
मैंने बस लाइक किया था और उसका इतना पतंगड़ कि सिमरन ने ये किया, सिमरन ने वो किया, shame on you, pick me girl. How am I a pick me girl? I am just friends with someone and they are not good, they are not in good terms with certain set of people. How am I the pick me girl? I have like said it multiple times. I've like cleared it more than 1,000 times that I am not into him.
Right.
He is not into me. The reels that I like, the edits that I repost or
because you're
reshare,
in
it's
them.
because I am there, like in those videos, and it's cute, and I just post it because people are like putting their hard work in it.
Right.
That's why. तो उसका इतना बड़ा बतंगड़ कि oh you're such a pick me girl, तुम्हारे edits बन रहे और resharing it, shame on you. Yogesh is not even like liking them, resharing them, bro.
Yogesh
वो
क्यों
जो
करेगा?
लेवल पर है, जो
Yeah.
लेवल पर योगेश है, मैं वो लेवल पर अभी तक आई नहीं हूँ.
It's not about even just a level, yaar.
It is about the level because
I don't. But here's my opinion on it. I think level, sure, it's a part of it.
Yeah.
100% is a part of it. दूसरी बात, he has bigger things to deal with that's going on the show right now.
Exactly.
अब वो बीच में उसका इतना बड़ा फियास्को चल रहा है, कांक्षा, रूरू, ये सारा चल रहा है. अब वो सिमरन का एक एडिट अपना स्टोरी पे थोड़ा डाल देगा. That
उसको
would be
और
stupid.
गाली पड़ेगी.
That would be the most stupid
Exactly.
decision ever to do that. So I understand कि तू क्या बोलना चाह रही है कि उसका level यार वो he is more famous. He's
Yeah, like
triple the
roadies
fame
and all,
yeah.
and with million followers. So it's okay, honestly. I am
Yeah.
not trying to like snatch him from someone. I am very good friends with Ruru.
Yeah.
उनका banter चल रहा है, but I don't have bad blood with either of them.
Yeah, don't ruin friendship over someone
Exactly.
else's banter.
And it's not even like, oh, I like him, or I'm like so in love with him. No, we are just good friends, and I've like said it so many times that I am into someone else. I don't like him.
Right.
It's not him. Yeah, it's him. It's him. It's not him. So it's very crazy how people, उनको बस because I feel like I understand कि audience का क्यों ऐसा point of view आता है, perspective आता है, because जो audience है Splitsvilla की mostly it's teenagers.
Yeah.
I'm not saying, oh, like, I am an adult, obviously, I'm 21. But, you know, teenagers were like 16, 17,
Younger
18,
लोग भी बहुत हैं.
very, like, younger people. And they love watching, they love shipping people together. तो अगर वो लोग दो लोग कर रहे हैं and then these people they are not together, तो वो उनको बुरा लगता है, या फिर उनके बीच में कहा था तो वो तुम इनके बीच में कैसे आ गई, ये ना वो फलाना ढमका ना, वो चीज़ चलती रहती है. तो उनको भी कुछ बोल नहीं सकते because they are very young.
Right.
And I'm not saying they're stupid because if they were stupid, वो लोग इतने stupid enough तो नहीं होते कि वो लोगों को शिप कर रहे हैं, लोगों के पोस्ट पे जाके कमेंट कर रहे हैं इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश में, you know, sentences phrase कर रहे हैं. वो लोग तो वो नहीं करते if they were stupid. I'm just saying they are very naive and they don't know what's going on behind the curtains.
I agree.
Simple. जो बैक स्टेज में हो रहा है वो तुम्हें नहीं पता, जो तुम्हें दिखाया जा रहा है तुम्हें सिर्फ उतना ही पता है, और उस बेसिस पे जज करना, उस बेसिस पे किसी को गाली देना क्योंकि तुम किसी और के फैन हो, मेक्स जीरो सेंस. आई गेट इट, यू आर सपोर्टिंग योर फेवरेट, आई गेट इट दैट शी इज योर आइडल, यू लव हर. I don't hate Akansha. I've said this, I do not hate her, I don't like her either, I do not dislike her either. We did talk, जब उर्फी की पार्टी थी, we did meet, we talked, and उसके बाद things didn't work out.
Yeah.
Because बहुत सारी बातें निकली थी सैंडी और सदफ के अगेंस्ट, एंड बहुत सारी अलग अलग नरेटिव सेट हुए थे, एंड विच आई डिड नॉट लाइक बिकॉज आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट पार्टी एंड आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन, दैट मोमेंट व्हेन दैट स्टफ हैपेंड. और उस चीज़ को लेके बहुत झूठ बोला गया, तो मैंने ना अपना मतलब मैंने अपना कोई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी नहीं रखा, ना मुझे ज़रूरी लगा कि मैं बोलूँ, क्योंकि वो उन तीनों के बीच में था. सो वाई शुड आई यू नो गेट इन टू इट. इफ़ आई थॉट दैट इट वॉज माई पार्ट टू प्ले, आई वुड हैव डन इट, बट वो चीज़ मैंने नहीं की. तो किसी एक जस्ट बिकॉज यू वर्शिप समवन, जस्ट बिकॉज यू लाइक समवन, डज नॉट गिव यू द राइट to hate on the other person. Because I don't think so Akansha is going around telling people, oh तुम इसको hate करो, तुम उसको hate करो क्योंकि मेरी और उसकी नहीं बन रही. It's the audience who's doing
Right.
that. So they need to be a little sensitive about the situation and you know think before they do anything. अभी recently अभी तुझे मैंने वो रील बताया कि सिमरन मैंने तुम्हें टैग किया, इसमें लाइक और कमेंट करो, मैंने कर दिया लाइक एंड कमेंटेड.
Yeah.
She made a reel, she has put my face on it, so I liked and commented, and she's like, oh you're such a pick me girl, कितना इसका नाम लोगी, क्लाउड लोगी. मैंने कब उसका नाम लेके क्लाउड लिया? तुम
Yeah.
मुझे बोलने लगवा रहे हो तो मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Exactly. No, I think it's fair, and I think guys, jitni beef you guys are seeing online, yes, as viewers, you get passionate, and you know you might hate on Simran, you might like Simran, or you might hate on someone else. जो भी है, जिसकी भी beef चल रही है. I think there comes a point in life where we have moved on. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? We're like whatever, हो गया काम. It was a while ago. इतनी कोई serious beef नहीं हुई कि हमने किसी को मार तो नहीं दिया जाता है. You know what I mean? It's bad blood between two people. तो थोड़ा हो जाता है यार.
Yeah, because it's a
You-
show. Yeah.
And you stick around for a month, you will hate. अगर आप लोग a month अपने siblings के साथ भी रह लो ना, without phone, without internet, without outside work connection,
You're
you will start
trying
hating
to.
them.
Yeah.
For that month, you will hate them, and then you'll be normal. So I think that's the case.
Yeah.
So now I think it's time that we wrap up this whole Akanksha situation
Yeah.
and we kind of throw it out. No hate to Akanksha, no hate
No,
to
of
Simran. I think
course.
it's fine. We just have to clear this thing. I'm gonna ask you three questions for rapid fire now.
Okay, cool. Let's do it.
Okay. Rapid fire is easy. I'm just gonna give you two contestant names, and you're gonna have to choose either one, and tell me just why quickly. Okay.
Okay.
Number one, Yogesh or Ron.
मेरी दोनों के साथ अच्छी दोस्ती है. But pick for what?
Just pick one to just stick with one that you'd rather spend time with.
I think it's Yogesh.
Okay.
Because we don't meet ऐसे, we don't talk that much. I don't talk to Ron either उतना, but whenever we meet, it's like, oh, we party, we chill. When we are like at a party, we like hang, we dance. That's it. So I think it's Yogesh.
Okay, Yogesh. Okay.
Only
next
for
question.
that purpose.
Next question. This one you might have to think more for this one actually,
Okay.
or maybe less. I don't know. Niharika or Asmita.
The fuck would you put me in a spot? Why?
Niharika or Asmita.
That is so bad of
Niharika
you.
or Asmita.
See, I don't have any bad blood. दोनों में से किसी के साथ. I think I've had more conversation with Niharika
Okay.
than Asmita. But it's like very hard to choose because Urfi ki party mein I did meet Asmita and then she initiated a conversation and then we talked for a bit and then there was like nothing. But then वो unfollow follow वाला situation चल रहा था तो I did not understand कि वो क्या चीज़ की वजह से, but later I realized कि वो क्यों हो रहा है. But then we also had that conversation that she should have cleared it out कि ओ तू वो ग्रुप के साथ इसलिए मुझे पसंद नहीं है. But
Right.
again they were my friends first, so obviously अगर वो बाहर आके वो लोग मुझे priority दे रहे तो I will talk to them, right? So I think it's Asmita.
Okay, I was not
Asmita.
expecting. I thought it was going to be Niharika.
No, it's Asmita because
Of the-
comparatively, I've spent more time with her
Right.
in the villa.
Right.
Like we used to like, कभी कभी निहारिका नहीं होती थी तो मैं और अस्मिता बैठ के बात करते थे. And Niharika is like someone you can look up to because she's old, she's wise. And उसके साथ ही मैंने बहुत time spend किया है. But you know, अब वो age group जो same age group आती है. And I think Asmita and I are of the same age group. She's like 21, 22. I'm like 21. So I think हमारी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो similar
Align
होती है,
हैं.
align
Yeah, you
होती है,
make
तो
friends.
yeah.
Age
Yeah.
is a very big factor in friendships, I think. Right? Age is so big, right? Right? Age is what you need.
Shut up.
No? Okay. Here, last one for the rapid fire. This one's going to be even harder.
Okay.
Sandy or Anisha?
Sandy.
Whoa, that was very quick. That was so quick. Why Sandy? Actually, no. I don't want to know why Sandy.
Good.
I want to know why not Anisha.
Oh my god, no, I'm not answering that. But
Guys, there you have to answer that. Okay, just tell me. Okay, tell me. Yeah, why not Anisha? I'm gonna stick to
I'm
that.
gonna slap you so hard.
So why not
but,
Anisha? So Anisha क्यों नहीं पसंद आपको? क्या अनीशा और आपकी बीफ चल रही है?
Shut up, nahi. Anisha and I are good friends,
Yeah.
but I've spent more time with Sandy.
ये spent more time वाला नहीं
Shut
चलेगा
up.
वापस.
I've spent
ये
more.
दो बार बोल दिया अब.
बोल complete
नहीं,
करने
नहीं,
दे.
मैं
Let me
नहीं complete
complete.
करने
Let
दूंगा.
me complete.
Change this thing.
Let
Change
me-
the start of your sentence. No spending more time.
Let me complete.
No spending more time.
You will know the answer.
Okay,
no?
okay,
Let me
okay.
complete.
Attacking. Okay.
Don't बीच में मत बोल. So Sandy, because again I've like spent more time with her and she understands me. I don't have to repeat myself again and again. एक ही चीज़ को लेके. Whereas with Anisha, she's a very good friend of mine, but you know कुछ ऐसे situations आई है जहाँ पे I have to like repeat myself again and again and she will not listen. Either she will lie. Or she'll just, you know, just make an excuse or make a reason and just vanish. But with Sandy, it's different. If she is not okay with it, she'll just say, she'll be like, Simran, I am not okay with it. This is the problem that we are facing. We need to like sort it out, or just let's just give space to each other. That's what I feel like is between the equation is between me and Sandy. Ki we talk maturely when it comes to, you know, sorting something or
Right.
like कुछ भी situation आता है like talking, meeting, she is very clear. With Anisha, it's like I have to think कि वो क्या जवाब देगी.
Exactly.
That's
So
why
friendly
Sandy.
compatibility, friendly chemistry भी एक चीज है. I think
Yeah,
it's better with
it's-
Sandy.
it's
And that's
better-
completely normal.
better
Nothing
with Sandy.
bad about Anisha.
No,
I mean,
nothing. I
it's
love
a completely
her.
normal thing.
Yeah, I love
And
Anisha.
होते हैं यार friends. अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ show वाले पूछे हैं. I'm sure there's friends that are way above even Sandy in the friendship thing
Yeah.
outside of the show that you've known for 10, 15 years.
Yeah,
right?
of course. I have few friends like I'm very close
Yeah.
to them. So yeah.
Okay, last thing. This is the actual unmasked game that I have made up. I'm going to be reading Reddit की जो opinions है about contestants to her. छोटे opinions हैं. You just have to guess who it is and why.
Okay.
Easy, quick.
It's not easy, but okay, let's.
It's so easy. Who's the biggest side character of the season?
वैसे this is not my opinion, but लोगों के opinions थे कि जो कायरा वाली group थी झलकप्रीत, they were the side characters and Kaira was the one leading, but I don't think वैसा कुछ था. So I think
अब ये
that,
change हो रही है सच because she's friends with Zalak now. Everything is changing. Okay, I get it.
I love
get it.
you.
I get it. You know what? I understand. You don't want to be. I get it.
No,
You're
that
right in the middle.
was my thought before initially,
Yeah.
but then later I got to know them personally.
Friendships हो जाती हैं after the villa.
No, I got to know them personally and I realized that they are good people. You know, just because they are not leading or just because they are not being seen leading, हमने वो देखा नहीं है तो हमें वो पता नहीं है. So I think maybe them.
So your side character was actually pretty easy because इसमें 3-4 answers थे. So
Yeah.
you got 2 of them right, which is good.
Okay.
Yep. Next one is.
It was you and.
No, it wasn't me. I wasn't on this.
Okay.
Why would I put myself on it? Anyways, next question is who was the performative green flag? ये Reddit पे बहुत चल रहा है अभी.
योगेश, is it right? नहीं, उसको तो कितना रेड फ्लैग बोल रहे हैं.
Why Yogesh?
क्योंकि उसको स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ग्रीन फ्लैग बोला, but then when Ruru entered and then he chose his love over, you know, थोड़े टाइम का attraction, connection, liking जो भी फेस था उनका, तो अभी उसे बहुत रेड फ्लैग बोल रहे. So I think it's Yogesh, but if not Yogesh, then I don't know, maybe the
Yeah, I'm going to give you a little bit of a hint.
Okay.
This person really blew up for the dialogue मेरी बंदी है, मेरी connection है.
I don't know. You know, मेरे dumping होने के बाद मैंने एक
Jumping से
भी
पहले ये तो पहला एपिसोड था, दूसरा एपिसोड था.
is it
Okay,
from
I'll tell you something.
प्यार
Another
विला
hint.
पैसा विला?
Pasavilla. I will give you another just hint. Okay. Apparently, this person has done everything to try to copy someone from season 15.
Is it Gulu?
No, why? Who would know? Performative green flag. Come on, you know this.
I don't think.
एक और guess मिलेगा. सोच. Okay, I'm gonna give you
Ron?
one. There we go. It's Ron.
Oh my
According to
god.
Reddit. You don't think it's Ron? You think he was an actual green flag? He was sort of acting कर रहा था green flag बनने की.
I'm not answering that.
You have to answer that.
I'm not answering that.
बताओ
I
यार.
can skip questions.
No, you can't say
I
that.
can.
Call a friend helpline. नहीं, ऐसे
No.
यहाँ पे नहीं
I
है.
am
वो
skipping
सिर्फ
that
दूसरे वाली
question.
जगह पे होती है. बताना मेरे को. What do you think? Is Ron a actual green flag? Just as a friend,
I
what you
mean,
notice?
he is a
And what do you
sweet guy.
notice about his relationship जो आपने देखा हुआ है with Asmita?
So he's a sweet guy. I noticed that.
Yeah.
And वो तो मैंने starting से बोला, and the conversations which we've had, उससे तो पता चल ही रहा था that he was like very much into Asmita and he wanted to see कि कैसी चीज़ें चल रही है. But later when we came back from Splitsvilla, when it ended, when the episodes were like airing, तब उसने मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताई थी कि उनके बीच में क्या हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है. तो I'm not gonna say he's a red flag, but then you have a past. Your present is different, your future is different, so you never know. So it's like that.
So do you think that him not being a green flag is also part of Asmita's fault? Like Asmita ही ऐसी थी, वो green flag नहीं बन पाया अच्छे से.
See, I
या
can't
Ron की
blame
personality ऐसी है.
anyone. I don't want to blame the girl or the guy. मेरे हिसाब से when you are seeing someone, when you're in a relationship, ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है, दोनों कहीं ना कहीं फॉल्ट में होते हैं, तब जाकर वो एक चीज़ वर्कआउट नहीं करती है. मे बी यू डिड समथिंग रॉन्ग, लाइक 7% तुमने गलत किया, 3% मैंने गलत किया, या मैंने 7% तुमने 3%,
Yeah.
whatsoever. So I think when you're seeing someone or when you're like in a relationship, वो it's like 50-50.
Relationship advice with Simran. Now ask her how many relationships she's been in.
One.
There we go. एक relationship या single वाले ही करते हैं relationship advice, which is good. I mean, you gave some advice. कोई
Yeah.
सुनने नहीं वाला इसको. 21 year old की लड़की है, don't listen to her.
But I
Connection तो
give
बना नहीं है
really
आज तक.
good
Spiritual में
advice.
connection मिला नहीं, but relationship की advice
I
नहीं.
do give very good advice.
Okay, one more.
Yeah.
A person who doesn't stop talking and is very annoying.
Vishu.
Oh my God, why are you so bad at this? अगर मैं वो challenge कर रहा होता ना तेरे से जो सारे punishment you would have been done for.
Oh my god.
One last yes. Doesn't stop talking, is annoying, is very very annoying, and doesn't stop talking. It could be.
Himanshu. I'm so sorry, oh shit.
This is on Reddit. I'm not saying this. This is on Reddit. I'm reading straight off of Reddit.
तेरे answers भी लिखे हुए?
Uh,
Okay.
who's the most spineless person in the villa? दे देख ले.
Mohit.
अभी मोहित आ रहा है. Why is Mohit the spineless?
It's
Most
because
spineless?
I think Anushka said it. No,
Anushka said it, but do you also agree with it?
I don't know.
Put yourself in Anushka's shoes.
I've not seen the episode, so I don't know what's going on. But
Oh, you haven't seen the episode? Sure. Oh, ये जो drama है ना,
I've not seen it
No, I
actually.
understand you haven't seen it. You were there for a little bit. So let's just imagine, put yourself in Anushka's shoes. Okay, you have a connection that बड़ा lovey-dovey हो रहा है पहले दिन से ही, and then he betrays you a little bit. Obviously.
where did he betray her?
वो सदफ वाला हो गया था, फिर जब अनुष्का जब निकली, फिर
Okay,
जब
yeah.
वो लड़ाई हुई थी,
Yeah,
then
with
Anushka
that
came back.
power का, yeah, I
Hmm.
saw.
And जब
saw
अनुष्का
it
वापस
on
आई थी तो
the
अनुष्का ने
episode.
पूछा था कि did you miss me? या are you happy to have me back?
Yeah.
And were you in the villa at that time? जब
No.
अनुष्का वापस आई? अच्छा no, you weren't.
She came to Pyar Villa, no, when the merger
Right.
happened.
So she came back and she was like, do you miss me? And अभी तक इनके connection को क्या 3-4-7 दिन ही हुए थे, right? But he was sitting with Sadaf and he goes, no, Sadaf is my ideal match. And फिर बहुत लड़ाई हुई इनकी. So if you were in Anushka's thing, would you be
I
thinking
would
that?
have felt betrayed.
But would you call him spineless? Like, would you think that this guy, like this man that इसने body इतनी बनाई हुई है, इतना confident था, पहले मेरे से बात हुई, मैंने इसको सब कुछ दे दिया अपना. Would you also
But
call
then
him spineless?
he had his own reasons to, not choose Anushka when she came back because there were like a lot of things going on जो मेरे से उसने सुनी थी और बाद में अनुष्का मेरी और इस चीज़ पे बात भी हुई थी कि ये चीज़ तो कोई नहीं थी सिमरन. I was like, it did happen and
Right.
you did say all of those stuff. You were not there. You were.
Yeah, you told me that.
Yeah, वो हाथ वाला bucket वाला जो scene.
हाँ, वो
हुआ था,
मेरे जाने के
that.
थोड़े दिन
Yeah,
बाद.
yeah. So she did say like a lot of stuff. So he heard it from me, he heard it from the Tanshu, Ron, and when like everyone is against someone whom you love or whom you find your connection or something like that, तो तुम चीज़ों को बहुत सारी चीज़ों को सोचने लगते हो. तो I don't think so कि मैं उसके perspective से कुछ बोल सकती हूँ because I think moving on and going on to someone like new कि अभी मेरा वो तो चली गई है, अब मेरे को शो में रहना है, तो I need to find someone, I need to like move forward, something like that. I think he did make a decision, but then later when she got the power and then he like switched, that was not okay for Sadaf also. So I think spineless.
Spineless is the right word. You think so?
Maybe.
So Mohit is spineless. इसमें इसका जो title होगा ना इस वीडियो का वो होगा Simran calls Mohit spineless.
Fuck you.
Chal, last one. Who is the biggest sympathy seeker of this season?
I'm not answering.
You have to answer this. Biggest sympathy seeker. Apparently, this person does not do well in tasks. Their entire season has revolved around one person, and they can't seem to stop gaining or seeking sympathy.
This is not my answer. मेरे point of view से नहीं है. This is what is written on the Reddit. It's Akansha.
Okay, you're right. आपके point of view से कौन होता?
मैं खुद.
That was good. That's a good answer.
मैं
Right there.
खुद.
मैं खुद.
मैं अगर
Okay.
sympathy gain कर सकूँ तो मैं हर जगह से करूँ, but मैं वो कर नहीं.
ठीक है, no, it's your right to do it.
Yeah.
It's your right to
Honestly,
do
who's
it.
gonna stop me?
Of
You,
course.
them.
All right, that was it for the first episode of Unmasked with my one and only ideal match, my ideal connection. हमने एक और वीडियो भी अपलोड करी थी, अगर वो आपने देखी हो, इससे पहले आ गई थी, but go watch it. And there's more episodes coming. हमारे next guests भी आने वाले हैं. Some of your favorite people. Some call them bullies. Some call them spineless. Some call them sympathy seekers. They're all coming to the show, and episodes are coming out very fast. We're pumping these out. So thank you for watching. And
Love you guys. Keep supporting. Keep hating. It does not matter.
बस बोल दे जो सुनो ना था
Love you all.
signature Simran dialogue.